Dialogue 12.
How's the weather today?
It's a little rainy.
Is it cold?
No, it's cool but not cold.
What was the weather like yesterday?
It was sunny and pleasant.
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It will be rainy.
Want. I want an apple. You want some medicine. They want some money. He wants a pencil. She wants some pencils. He wants a car.
Do you want an apple?
Yes, I do.
Does she want some apples?
No, she doesn't.
Do you want a car?
Yes, we do.
Do they want some cars?
No, they don't.
I want to eat. You want to play. We want to study. They want to stay home. He wants to swim. She wants to run.
Do you want to play?
No, I don't.
Do you want to study?
Yes, we do.
Do they want to go out?
No, they don't.
Does she want to sleep?
No, she doesn't.
Does he want to swim?
Yes, he does.